In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your Steam inventory, so sometimes it could be really helpful. It works for Windows and Mac, and this tutorial will be pretty helpful. Make sure that you are subscribed and liked. So how can we do this? First step, of course, we just need to open our app, and then here in the right top corner you need to find your profile picture and then just click on it and go to view my profile to open your profile page. The next step we need to do, so as you can see, our inventory will appear somewhere here, so we can open our inventory. So we need to click on edit profile in the top of the screen, and then here in the settings move to privacy settings. And what is interesting for us now is my profile and then just inventory right up here. As you can see, it was turned to public, so everyone now can see my inventory. But what if I want to close it? So all we need is just to click on it and then just choose private. So now it will be closed for all of users. But if we have some close friends in our list and we want to share it only with our friends, I tell about inventory. So just choose the friends only, so only friends will be able to see your inventory. But let's say turn it to private mode. So now it was closed for everyone. So guys, I hope this short tutorial was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.